Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds between accounts in QuickBooks Online. Transferring money between your bank accounts, savings, and credit card accounts is a common bookkeeping task, and recording it properly keeps your balances accurate and your reconciliations smooth. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and I'll also share tips so you know why each step matters. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to your main dashboard. Once you're in, move your mouse to the top left of the screen and hover over the Create option. This is your shortcut hub for everyday tasks. When the menu appears, look for the Transfer option and click it. That opens the Transfer window, which is designed specifically for moving funds between accounts you already track in QuickBooks. In the Transfer window, begin by selecting Transfer Funds From. This is the account the money is leaving. Use the drop-down to pick the correct source account. Take a second to confirm the balance in the account name so you don't accidentally move funds from the wrong place. This is a simple check that prevents a lot of cleanup later. Next, choose Transfer Funds To. This is where the money is going. Again, use the drop-down and make sure you're selecting the exact destination account you want reflected in your books. Keeping source and destination straight ensures QuickBooks creates one clean transaction that hits both register correctly. Before you save, add a clear memo. In the memo field, type a short note that explains the purpose of the transfer, something like move to savings, operating cash, or any internal reference your team understands. Good memos make reviews, audits, and reconciliations much faster because you won't have to guess what a transaction was for months later. When everything looks right, click Save and New. That instantly records the transfer and leaves the form open for another entry, which is perfect if you're batching multiple moves at once. After saving, the transaction will appear in both affected account registers, a decrease in the From account and an increase in the To account. If you connect bank feeds, recording transfers this way also helps QuickBooks match the downloaded transactions more accurately and reduces the risk of duplicates. A couple of quick tips as you work. Always confirm you've chosen two different accounts, use consistent memo wording for similar transfers, and review the on-screen details before saving. Those small habits keep your financials tidy and make month end a lot easier. That's it. Simple, accurate, and done. You now know how to transfer funds between accounts in QuickBooks Online with confidence.